video. Oh my goodness. Oh, I dropped the battery.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. You was only 21 with a son on the run, no. You was living in the jungle. Got charged for a murder and some weed and a gun, no. You was moving like Rumbo. Did your time like a Chine.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a very fresh vlog. Today is not more less than a day for me because I have grabbed one of the DJI fresh release today. Just a couple of hours released this drone, DJI Mavic 3, one of the most advanced drone I have ever waited for. This drone is like incredible. This is like a dream drone. I have never heard about this, and last week I heard that this drone is coming. So today I'm in Xiamen City and I come to this store. I will also share the location with you. I'm in China, and you know this is a Chinese drone, so it's come very faster in Chinese stores. And today in this video I will show you first in this store the actual drone and all the aspects inside, what this drone can do, what is this drone capable for, and how long the battery would last, how big of the picture size it can record. So this drone is incredible. Stay with me till the end. I will show you all these. And first of this is the look of the drone. Have two sensors, have two cameras. This camera is for zoom, this is the normal camera, and the camera quality is 5K, and this is like 2.8. in the night quality would be very good. You can find two sensors up here, you can find here, you can find two sensors here. So it means like 360 you fly this drone, you would have no problem with obstacles, and this is like a free of obstacles. If you are biking, you're riding in the jungle, don't need to be worried. And these motors are, I think, is a little bit bigger than normal drone, and the battery is much bigger. You can see this is the actual battery. This is like incredible. Oh my goodness, I can smell it a little bit hotter because I opened this 5 minutes before, but it can last 46 minutes. Like, you fly one battery and you have not to be worried of the desired shots. 46 minutes, it's incredible. 这个可以飞多长公里
15公里
So, oh, I just asked him in Chinese, and this can fly 15 kilometers. Like, it means like you can see 15 kilometers for your friends and you can just circulate. Oh my goodness, this thing is incredible, and I think this will be the market blaster for the drone, and I have never seen other best drone than this, and DJI is very famous for the drone quality. So still I will share with you other things and what can the combo size, what they are offering, and all other things. So stay with me till the end of this video.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God.
It's pretty big. Look at this. This is the controller, and you can buy the normal controller as well, but this is like I have its own display, kind of professional controller. Look at this. Goodness me. So
Charged for a murder and some weed and a gun, no. You was moving like Rumbo. Did your time like a champ, never rumble. You was on the wrong path, you was young, though. You ain't never let it break you, stay humble. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. I see the fire and the pain in my mama's eyes. I was just a little boy, I always wonder why. Cause you couldn't help raise me by her side. I was taught to speak the truth and never tell a lie, but I know you wasn't capable of homicide. You was just a real nigga, always down to ride. I thank God that he gave you a second time. You got caught up in the field, but you still alive. For the fam, yeah, I know you never jeopardized. All the time that you did it only made you wise. Collect call 30 seconds, yeah, I love you. Learned a lot of life lessons from my uncles. This a letter to my pops up top, and it's still fuck cops. I don't eat pork chops, no. ISO, we got the city on lock, it's going down, young jock, yeah. Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was waste your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. All these trials, tribulations, all these trials, situations, trials we be facing, times we was waiting. Now we at the finish line, now we at the finish line. Damn near fell, got the call on my cell that my pops got robbed and he got shot up. I was working at SP, that was in KP. I was focused on making me $1. His business got lost, his life almost cost. I was in the parking lot thinking about my grandma. He got sent home back to Trini, had to make a way up, and some youngins tried to take it off from him. I remember days right before I graduated.
And the bad news is this camera is all sold out, so I came to buy one, but bad luck for me. In China it's like very fast, it's just reached 2 hours before, maybe 3 hours before, and I'm late just 3 hours, and this store have no more, the stock is out of stock. So this camera is now, I cannot grab one, but I can still show you the zoom, the other materials, and what is different than other camera. I have all other cameras, the DJI. So it's, if you fly you will not hear the drone. I don't have the flying footage, but the opening sound is pretty good, and I can show you the sensors, the quality. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, I wish I could buy one right now. It is very expensive, like it's not cheap, and this is 17,000 plus just with the combo size, 13,000 RMB with just one battery. And if you want to buy this, look at this, with this controller with screen, it costs 33,000 RMB, so it's not the cheap thing. Oh, this is incredible, and I want to show you something, and if I buy get one tomorrow, so I will fly and show you the other detail as well. And it's on right now, look at this. And these guys are these guys are telling me you are just late, so this is incredible, guys. I'm in China right now, Xiamen City. You can see this store is pretty big, and look at this. They says we will order for you the special one, maybe tomorrow it will be here, or day after tomorrow. I can still buy the single battery, but I don't want to buy with just single battery. I want to buy the combo size, because combo size is for me more reliable, because I can fly with it more. And I think, guys, you would like this video, and I show you the actual thing. I'm not too big YouTuber to have the sponsorship, so this video is not sponsored. I think if you don't own any of DJI drone, it worth to buy. I still have 2 DJI drones, but I would love to buy this one, and maybe in 2 days I will show you the real test in out of the field, out of the store in the field, and I'll fly some amazing videos I will show you. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and more tech videos I will share with you in the future. And this is the incredible DJI camera, and I love to see these special things. You can see this, wow.